Dear students, today in this class you are going to learn about 11th question. This is of class 10th standard on area related to circles. Okay, exercise 5.3. 11th question we have, on a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius is 7 centimeter are made. Okay, look at this figure. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Okay, so we need to find out here remaining portion of the handkerchief. So here total how many circular regions are there, designs are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, circular designs. For each circle radius is how much centimeter? 7 centimeter. See, if each circular radius is 7 centimeter means for diameter is 14, right? If it is 14 centimeter diameter, this is also 14 centimeter diameter, here also 14 centimeter diameter. So 14 3 is how much here? 14 3 is 50. Okay, 14 3 is 42 centimeter. What is this? Side of a square, right? Because we need to find out here area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief, which is equal to area of a square minus area of 9 circular designs, right? Okay, this only we have to apply here. Okay, in figure solution we have, in figure it can be observed that it can be observed that the side of a square, the side of the it can be observed that the side of the square is how much centimeter? 42 centimeter, right? How much centimeter? 42 centimeter. Okay, 42 centimeter. So now we have to find out here area of the remaining portion of the handkerchiefs. Okay, radius is equal to how much centimeter as given here? 7 centimeter, right? See, given radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Area of the, therefore, area of the remaining portion, area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief is equal to, what is the formula? We have to apply here area of a square. Okay, area of a square minus area of a square ABCD minus area of, how many circles are there? 9 circles each. 9 circles each. Okay, let us see now. Area of square formula is, okay, side into side, that is side square minus area of is 9 circular regions. 9 each circular regions is designs is, what is the formula here? Pi r square. 9 pi r square. Okay, we have to apply here pi value is, that is 22 by 7. Okay, side square, side is equal to how much centimeter here? Side is equal to 42 centimeter. 42 into 42 minus 9 into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to how much centimeter? 7 centimeter. That is 7 into 7. 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, right? Okay, here 42 into 42. We have to multiply for this both, right? So we will get here 1764. Okay, 1764 square centimeter minus, okay, this is also 9 into 22 into 7. If you multiply, we will get here, see, this is 154. 154 multiplied by 9, which is equal to, okay, 1386. 1386 square centimeter. Okay, we have to subtract now. Okay, we have to subtract 14 minus 6. Okay, which is equal to, we will get here 8, right? 8. Okay, next remaining here 5. 15 minus 8, which is equal to that is 7, and remaining is in this 6. 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. Therefore 378 square centimeter, and this is right answer, right? Okay, this is right answer. Okay, dear students, now let us discuss about 12th question. Here we have question. In figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius is how much centimeter? 3.5 centimeter. How much centimeter? 3.5 centimeter radius. Okay, this is O also 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to how much centimeter has given here? 2 centimeter. Okay. If it is 2 centimeter, this is a 1 centimeter. So this is 1.5 centimeter, right? 2 plus 1.5, that is 3.5. Okay, radius is 3.5. OD is equal to 2 centimeter given. Find the area of we need to find out first quadrant OACB, right? OACB quadrant we need to find out. And second one is area of shaded region. See here, area of shaded region, that is CBD. Okay, area of shaded region which is equal to area of a quadrant OACB minus area of a triangle DOB, right? See, quadrant of an angle will be subtended at that is a 90 degree, right? Okay, let us see now. Solution. Since we need to find out first one, right? Since OACB is a quadrant, OACB is a quadrant, it will subtend at an angle theta is 90 degree, right? 90 degree angle at O. Right? Therefore, we need to find out area of quadrant OACB, right? First, area of quadrant OACB. Okay, area of quadrant OACB, which is equal to, what is the formula? That is theta divided by 360 into pi r square, because area. Okay, theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is equal to 90 degree and radius is equal to how much centimeter as given here? 3.5. Okay, see 3.5 also you can write it as 7 divided by 2 also. Okay, let us see now. OACB, which is equal to theta is equal to 90 degree divided by 360 into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into radius is, we can take it as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja, 0 0 will get cancelled, 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja 36. Okay, and also 2 2 ja 4, 2 11 ja 22, right? Now remaining is 11 7 ja 77 divided by 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 square centimeter. Okay, this is the right answer of area of quadrant OACB. Now remaining we need to find out second one, area of shaded region, right? Second one, area of shaded region. Okay, which is equal to area of quadrant OACB minus area of triangle DOB, right? See, area of quadrant OACB already we got answer, 77 divided by 8 square centimeter minus area of triangle AB, that is half into base into height. Okay, 77 divided by 8 square centimeter minus half into base is 3.5, that is 7 by 2 into height is 2 centimeter, DO, that is right, height is DO. See, height is DO and base is BO, that is 2 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 ones are, right? Okay, which is equal to 77 divided by 8 minus 7 1 is 7 divided by 2. Okay, here see here 77 by 8 minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2 into 2, half into base into height. Okay, here I wrote B is equal to BO and height is equal to DO. Okay, Now what is the LCM of 8 and 2 is 8 only. 2 4s are 8, 77 right as it is, minus 7 4s are 28, which is equal to, here 17 minus 8, which is equal to, we have to write here 9, right? And 9, and here 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. 49 divided by 8 square centimeter is right answer. Okay.